In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect on each screen, and a few helpful tips to make the process smooth and secure. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the correct GCash account you want to connect. A stable internet connection helps prevent interruptions during the linking process. From the GCash home screen, go to the Profile section. You'll usually find Profile as an icon or label on the upper right or lower area of the screen, depending on your app version. Tap it to open your account settings. Inside Profile, look for My Linked Accounts. This is where GCash organizes all services you can connect to your wallet. If you see variations like linked accounts, that's the same area. Tap to open it. In the list of available services, find PayPal. Select PayPal to start the connection. On the PayPal linking page, tap Link Now. This button begins the secure authorization flow that allows GCash and PayPal to communicate with each other safely. You'll be prompted to enter your PayPal information. This typically means signing into your PayPal account in a secure window. Carefully enter your details and follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to review and approve the connection so that GCash can link to your PayPal. Simply continue through each prompt until you see confirmation that the link is successful. Once complete, you should be redirected back to GCash, where PayPal will appear as a linked service under My Linked Accounts. Seeing it listed there is your confirmation that everything worked. If you revisit your profile and check My Linked Accounts later, PayPal should remain visible as linked. A few tips to help avoid hiccups. Keep both the GCash and PayPal apps updated to the latest version so the linking screens load properly. Make sure the personal details on both accounts, like your name and country, match, as mismatched information can sometimes cause authorization issues. If you run into an error, give it a moment and try again on a steady connection. Also, avoid sharing any sensitive information outside the official sign-in pages. That's it. You opened GCash, went to Profile, chose My Linked Accounts, selected PayPal, tapped Link Now, entered your PayPal information, and followed the on-screen prompts to finish. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each screen to ensure a secure, successful link.